Meaning of impenetrable.
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 Impenetrable. The term impenetrable refers to something that cannot be penetrated or entered, either physically or metaphorically. It denotes a quality or characteristic of being completely inaccessible, resistant, and impervious to outside forces or influences. An object or material that is impenetrable is one that cannot be penetrated or pierced, making it difficult or impossible for any external agent to pass through. Similarly, a person who is impenetrable is one who is extremely guarded, unyielding, and unresponsive, leaving others unable to understand or effectively communicate with them.